Hello, my name is Christian Strauch. I'm industry manager here at Igus for material handling. Today we will measure the installation time of our brand new autoglide 5. And let's see what we can do. Wow, this was pretty fast. Even myself, I didn't expect that. But there's Mr. Bevan coming. Hi, Mr. Bevan.
Hey, Mr. Strauch, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. I think, Mr. Bevan, your name is really popular in this kind of industry. You've seen the installation, so what do you think?
I mean, we're building cranes now since more than 30 years, and I've never seen something so fast like this before, and it was pretty easy to install. But for us, the most beneficial point is we can use the chain not only for power, but also for communications devices. So it gives us more benefits in this area as well. And it seems to be pretty easy to maintain. Can you tell me more about that?
No, because there's no maintenance at all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay.